I'd never get rid of my favorite teddy bear? Well, adios, bear amigo.
I love you forever. I love you forever.
I love you too, Ugly Bear. Best friends forever. I swear. Who's there?
Out for a romantic canoe ride, butt squad?
Yeah, no way it could get any funnier than this.
Yeah, it's adorably hilarious.
Yeah, right. You mean this cootie factory? It totally belongs to some other crybaby Sunny Smiler.
And I suppose you're out here teaching it to fish?
I was just about to dump
I
it.
love you forever.
I don't know, butt squad. Seems like you can't bear to part with it.
See? No sweat.
You actually threw away your bear? Wow, I didn't think you'd do that. No way! Butt Squat's beer? Ew! It looks like it's been barfed up, electrocuted, and dipped in toxic waste.
Ugly Bear loves you. To the end.
I love Ugly Bear.
To the end. I love you.
I love you too, my little Ugly Bear.
Well, thank you, McGee.
Best friend forever.
That's right, buddy, forever.
To the end.
And I promise no one will ever get between us.
Why are you in love with your bag?
What? None of your beeswax. Can't a guy get a little privacy once in a while? Sheesh.
What's with McGrouchy?
I don't know. But he didn't finish his sandwich. Want a bite?
Ah, nature in all its terrifying wonders. The uncanny octofrog.
He's so cute. Do you want a treat?
The stupefying snapdragon. Nature teaches us when in the face of adversity, use your head and make the best of it.
Marshmallows! Does my Ugly Bear want a sweet treat too? How about some honey?
McGee, have you flipped?
No! Never touch a hive! Or wear it as a helmet. Easy now! I'll save you!
Great. I'll go get the bandages.
Oh, love this Ugly. I do.
Okay, that's it. What is in that bag?
Hey, give that back!
Is this Butt Squat's bear? Oh, it looks like it's been barfed up, electrocuted, and dipped in toxic waste.
I love you.
Ugly's my bear now, and I think he's beautiful even if he smells like barf. Me and my Ugly, best friends to the end.
Okay, Mickey, you and that bear are creeping me out. What's the deal?
He's my bear!
And I love him.
It looks like it's been barfed up, electrocuted, and dipped in toxic waste. Cool.
Ugly Bear loves you.
And I love you, Ugly Bear. We'll go for long walks and eat banana bread in bed.
Hey, give that back!
Who's my cutesy rootsy berry weary?
Hands off my Ugly!
Huggy loves me. He said so.
Its eyes! They're hypnotizing you. Guys, that scuzzy bear is controlling your minds.
He is not Scuzzy!
He's on mine.
Not for long, Bear Napper!
I think you both need a time out.
Ugly! Ugly! Where are you? Ugly, please come home. Ugly's bow tie. Ooh, Squatster. Next time you spend a day in a mini-sub, do not eat a glove-sized can of beans. I'm coming, Ugly. Butsy's coming.
Say it again, Ugly. Say it again.
Best friends. To the end.
Yep, it's just you and me, Ugly.
Not anymore. You've got a date with the trash smasher, Fuzzface.
I think not. Reunited, and it feels so ugly.
Oh, no, you don't!
I can't believe I have to outsmart a teddy bear.
McGee, you'll be safe in here. Is this a trick?
A really stinky trick?
No way! Cross my heart, hope to die.
Hey, wait a minute. You're already dead.
Say goodbye to the bear.
Ugly?
Quick, Sawyer, sunglasses up.
I look drop-dead gorgeous.
I love you.
Stuff it, Furball. Here, Sawyer, take care of the chew toy. Hey, McGee, how about some of Rosebud's quick-dry goat meal? Part of a well-balanced anti-hypnotic breakfast.
What do you think you're trying to prove?
I want my Ugly Bear.
Repeat after me. I don't love Ugly.
No! My Ugly love is too strong! No! I love Ugly! I do love Ugly! I don't love Ugly! I don't love Ugly!
Consider yourself de-Huglified. Now let's get rid of this bear.
Thanks, guys. I needed that.
Here, McGee, I'm pretty sure zombies are immune to hypnotic teddy bears and their creepy evil eyes.
I love you. I love you.
I love you too.
Ugly Wuggly.
Sawyer, no!
Hugley is mine now, and I won't let you take him. That's why I must get rid of you forever.
I love you. I love you.
Sawyer, you don't want to hurt us. Not for a scuzzy bear.
Hugley is not scuzzy.
Huh?
Oh, mine now.
Squirt!
Come back!
It's just you and me, Ugly.
Squirt, drop the bear and kick it toward us.
Never. Ugly's my bestest friend. You guys are just jealous.
I got this one, McGee. You don't love Ugly.
She's right. I love Hugley.
Back off, Plunger Paws. Ugly loves me.
Ugly loves you.
I love you. Oh, come on.
Back off, you stuffy stealers.
I have the bear! Uh-oh, I have the bear. We love you, Ugly! Not fit to blow! It's our only chance!
I love you.
Stop it, bear!
We love you,
Ugly, where are you? I've searched everywhere. Huggles!
I love you.
Hold on, Ugly. Butsy's coming.
Go long, Gretch! Real long!
Hey, Ugly, I hope you love lava.
I love you.
I love you, Ugly. You beautiful bear, you.
Gretchen, no!
Ugly! Butsy's here, and I love you.
No, Butt Squad! Your Ugly's turned evil!
Give me back my bear!
Stay back! Ugly is mine!
Best friend forever.
Best friends forever.
Time to make the ultimate sacrifice. Now I can't see Ugly's beady little red eyes, but all my other senses are more powerful. Including smell.
Give me back my bear.
Oh!
I love you.
Gotcha!
Hand over that Ugly! He's mine!
Ah, Squirt! I'd recognize that smell anywhere. Yeah! Sorry, guys, but this bear's going down! Wait, are those... Yes, batteries! New plan. No! Sayonara, batteries!
Did we miss lunch?
Do I have fur on my tongue?
It's all yours, Butt Squat!
It looks like it's been barfed up, electrocuted, and dipped in toxic waste. Luckily, I have 3 more at home.
Well, that's that.
Last one to the mess hall is an evil bear.
To the end.
Dear Mom, today we learn how to drive. Tomorrow, we learn how to brake. Woohoo! Eat my radioactive dust, Gretch!
Give it up, McGee!
Yeah, McGee slides to victory. Please tell me this is mud.
I think you had a little accident, didn't you, boy?
I'd hate to see a big one.
Ah, the sweet smell of victory.
Out of the way, bottom feeders!
Oh, great. Butt Squat.
You scared him. Pinky!
Sweet!
Behold, the Butt Squad Beach Blitzer! Look upon it and drool. Weapons-grade titanium frame, double turbo thrusters, auto-inflating white walls, 7 cup holders, and a mobile missile launcher. The Blitzer is the fastest car on the lake. Ew, please tell me this is mud.
That's nothing compared to my, super cool McGee mud mover.
As if you don't have a car. We do so, and it will beat your butt blaster any day of the week.
Oh yeah? Let's see it, McLiar.
It's, getting super cool racing stripes painted on. Yeah, so cool, you'll get frostbite just looking at him.
I don't want to look at it.
Fine, then put your car where your mouth is. Winner takes all.
You got it. We win, we get your ride. You win, like that'll ever happen. You get ours.
Fine, see you at the race, McDweeb.
Did they say race?
I'll get the blazers.
I'll get the microphone with the sweet squishy ball of shut top.
And don't forget to bring my new muck mover.
so cool you'll get frostbite?
Uh-huh.
Better get working on it.
Yep.
Frostbite? I'll start knitting the mittens.
Let's race advances. Race fans of all ages. It's time for the Slimeball Run.
It's an impressive matchup. The Bud Squad Beach Blaster versus the McGee Mud Mover.
Don't mind me. This has nothing to do with the mud mover. Just a random tire rolling game.
Wow!
You call that a racer? It's a junkyard on wheels.
Yeah? We'll see what you have to say about it when it wins the race. The mud mover's got futuristic aerodynamics, state-of-the-art zero pollution exhaust, and a frost-free body.
Let's go! I'm not racing for that hunk of junk.
Yeah, it's super pathetico.
Oh, yeah? You want to up the bet?
Sure, if you win the race, you get the Blitzer. When we win the race, we get Lakebottom.
You're on!
What just happened?
I think we just bet Camp Lakebottom.
Oh, these stakes are sky high. They're betting the camp.
And I'm betting it's bye-bye Lakebottom.
Keep it together, Armand. We're on pretend TV. Okay, campers, start your engines!
Lakebottom will make an awesome parking lot.
Or the perfect dump. No renovations needed.
Yeah, well, you gotta win first.
On the mark, get set, go!
Come on, come on! For the love of Lakebottom, get going!
Woohoo!
The fate of Lakebottom is in the hands of Team Mud Mover.
We're doomed, aren't we?
Pretty much.
This is gonna be easier than we thought.
Hey, it actually works!
Not for long. Watch out!
Oh, no! Pinky!
See you around, lamoids.
Follow that armadillo!
Be careful, guys! And watch out for Pinky!
Phew! Our bottom dwellers are turning that spin into a win.
You bet, Sawyer. As long as they don't end up spinning their wheels in the swamp. Please tell me that you're preparing an omelet.
I was going to ask you the same question.
Hey, sis! We're back!
Back in last place, you mean?
Whoa! Oh, looks like you've got a flat.
You haven't won yet, Butt Squad! Well, at least the airbag worked.
Looks like the Mud Mover is sunk. And so is our camp. No, 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 no!
Me, you! There's enough gas in this swamp to float an elephant!
Hey! Quick! Give that skunk cabbage a squeeze!
Nice. And stinky.
Yes! Give the other tires a shot of gas while I start this baby up.
Gotcha!
The Beach Blitzer will be ours!
And we'll save Camp Lakebottom.
Yeah!
The Mud Mover is back in the race. This swamp gas is bad.
Sorry, that one was me. I have a nervous tummy.
Enjoy your last ride in our Beach Blitzer, Butt Splat!
Oh, I'm gonna be riding it right into my Lakebottom parking lot.
McGee! Stinky pits, dead ahead!
Whoa! I think I broke the brakes.
Oh no, we're falling. What will we do?
Here's something I didn't forget.
I'm impressed. Not impressed!
Well, race fans, things are going downhill fast for Team Lakebottom.
You can say that again.
Oh, tell me that was the balloon.
It was the balloon.
Ha! It's not that easy to get rid of me, Snoozy. Actually, it is. Your sister is a bubble brain.
Ow! A dangerous bubble brain! Ow! Whoa!
Nice one, Suze.
Ow!
Time to split you two up.
It's not over yet, Butt Squad!
Looks like McGee and Gretchen snatched defeat from the jaws of victory.
Farewell, Camp Lakebottom. Pardon me.
You really should see someone about that.
The fake announcers are right. We could lose the camp.
Perfect! Come on, come on! Yes! Hop on, Gretch!
Sweet!
We're still in the race!
This titanic tip of Titans has taken a topsy-turvy turn into turbulence.
Well, you can say that again.
Actually, I don't think I can.
Hey, Butt Squad! Check out our new wheels!
See you at the finish line, losers.
bad cars scare you, Pinky. You're safe here. Oh, come on!
Hey, Squirt, mind if I borrow your freaky little pet?
No! Pinky!
Release the steamroller!
Yes! Enjoy the rear view, Susie! Woo! McGee, pedal to the metal!
Leave it to Butt Squat to take low-down cheating to new highs.
No, I can't bear to see our camp flattened.
But it sure makes exciting television.
I think I'm going to look into a new imaginary profession.
That runaway Pinky is heading right for Lakebottom. Take the toilet seat and finish the race, Gretch.
I'm on it!
I'm gonna hitch a ride. Okay, Pinky, let's roll.
Ha! Even if McGoofy saves Lakebottom, he can't win this race. Sunny Smiles rules!
I've never seen anything like this, race fans. Can Team Lakebottom win the race and save the camp?
My answer is
Let's put some bats in this.
Camp Lakebottom is mine!
Well, fans, this is it.
Victory is sweet!
Yay! And the bottom dwellers win by an armadillo's nose.
Yeah! Way to roll, Pinky. Yes?
Pinky! You were so brave. Yes, you were. Yes, you were.
I hate losing to you.
Aw, but you're so good at it. Hand him over, butt breath.
You are now the proud owner of a turbo-powered pendant.